Hi guys, welcome to another series of Ebony Multiventures. On today's series, I'll be sharing with you a natural glowing makeup. Let's get started. I'll be using a facial wipe to wipe my face to see if I have any dirty. And after that, I'll be going in and using this magnesium primer to prime my face, just to set in the powder and all. I'll be using this edge control to brush my eyebrow. And I'll be drawing my eyebrow. I have a YouTube video on how to draw eyebrow, which is much detailed than this, where I explain all the process and the steps of drawing eyebrows. I will drop the link in the description box. So after that, I'll be going in and I'm still trying to draw the eyebrow. I use 2 pencils. And I'll be brushing the eyebrow. And I will be concealing this eyebrow with my melanin concealer. You just have to be careful while drawing your brows, and practice the shape makes perfect. Once you keep practicing, you're perfect. So I'm just trying to clear the essence concealer that I have on the brows. Just going in details with the brows, and I will be concealing my eyeshadow parts. I'm still using the same concealer that I used for the eyebrow earlier, and I'm clearing the essence concealer that I have on my brows. I'll be using these two foundation, which is both are classic foundation, but one is a HD concealer and the other is waterproof foundation. And I added NYX Illuminator Liquid Glow just to glow the foundation, and I will be mixing the three together. I sprayed my puff with just water, nothing added earlier, just to make this puff to be very light, to absorb, to set in the foundation. I'm just trying to put in the detail foundation in where are necessary. And I will be using this eyeshadow primer to prime my eyeshadow area. I'll be using some natural colors on this eyeshadow palette for my eyeshadow. Keep going in details with the eyeshadow. Still the same palette. I'm just dusting the essence eyeshadow that I have on my face. I'll be using this concealer palette on my contour area. And I'll be using this dark concealer for my highlights area. I'll be using my puff to set the concealer in. I'll be using this setting powder in my concealed area. And after that, I'll be drawing my eyeliner. I'll be using this powder palette to dust the essence, the setting powder, and to be using the powder to set in the setting powder and all. It's just normal powder palette. Using this eyeshadow palette for my highlight contour. And I'll be drawing my eyeliner. I'm just using a lighter shade eyeshadow in my eyebrow area. And I'll be using this Milani powder for the facial powder. I'll be using this bronzer in my contour area, just to glow the parts. I'll be using it on my nose too. This is just the highlights for the. I'll be using this black lipstick to highlight my lips, and I'll be using this natural color to cool the black color. I'll be using these two natural lipstick in the inner lip area. And I'll be concealing the lipstick area. And I'll be using a lip balm on all the lipstick I've used. I'm just using this brush to set everything together. And I'll be using this facial mascara. I'll be using this setting spray to set in the makeup. So this is all I have, and this is what we have. If you enjoyed this video, please comment, like and share. Thank you. Bye.